There is a silent paradigm shift happening in the world of artificial intelligence. For years, we've been conditioned to believe that the most expensive, proprietary models are inherently smarter. But recent developer sentiment and macro-level data suggest a very different reality. The illusion of the big tech premium is breaking. To separate the marketing from the math, I conducted a series of head-to-head stress tests. I pitted the industry's leading proprietary model against the top-tier open-weight alternative, throwing brutal, multi-step logic and reasoning constraints at them. The results were eye-opening. On the most complex puzzles, models consistently arrived at the exact same correct conclusions. They've demonstrated absolute genius-level reasoning. But the execution couldn't have been more different. The proprietary model acts like a sports car on a private track. It delivers the answer in a flash, but it charges a massive premium for the privilege. The open-weight model, on the other hand, takes significantly longer to process and generate. Yet it delivers the exact same, and sometimes even more detailed result, for a mere fraction of the cost. So what exactly is happening under the hood? Why the massive discrepancy in speed and price? It comes down to infrastructure. When you use a proprietary model, you are paying for massive corporate overhead in hyper-optimized private server clusters. But when you access an open-weight model through decentralized aggregators, your prompt is routed to shared compute farms. Providers utilize shared hardware and compress the models to keep costs practically non-existent. The brain is just as smart, but the engine is shared. We have reached a point where intelligence has officially become a commodity. You are no longer paying for a smarter AI, you are simply paying a speed tax. If you need an answer in absolute seconds, the premium makes sense. But for the vast majority of deep research, coding, and back-end logic, waiting just a little bit longer saves an absolute fortune. The developers and creators who win the next era of AI won't be the ones blindly paying for a brand name. They will be the ones who understand the underlying tech and intelligently route their workloads based on what actually matters.